everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing I guess you could say a food haul. I haven't got a title for it, but you see what the title is already, so boom, there you go. So today we are going to be trying out, well, let me not say that, because I actually went there 2 days ago and then I decided to do a video on it. I only had one thing, so I really didn't get to try it out. So we are going to Lincoln's today in Hooper, Indiana, and we are going to try out some more stuff. I tried their U.S. Steel. It's roast beef, lettuce, tomato. I didn't get tomatoes, onions. It's like melted cheese. It's so good. And then it's on, like, I think it's called rye bread. It's like a really fancy type bread, and I think it's like buttered and toast. It's just, oh my gosh, it's so good. So I'm gonna try that, and then you could also switch the meats out and, you know, do like turkey. So I'm gonna do that as well. Probably get some cheese fries, and I'm just gonna see what else is on their menu to try. Probably get a dessert or two, and then we're gonna go from there. And then when I get home, we will dig in.
I was used to blacking out, but now they call me spaz out. And for them niggas trying to stunt, we bout to bring the mask out. I hit the bank for a deposit, all in hundreds cash out. I fucked your bitch up in that telly, almost knocked the lights, camera, action. He just made the news. My middle fingers go to dick.
So you guys, we are here. I don't think I'm really gonna record when we inside because it's really busy. They don't even have a big parking lot, and it's like we had to park all the way at the end. But say hey to Dream. Say hey, Dream. Anyways, so yeah. See you guys in a bit. We are here. It is busy. Sit down. Please stand up, boy. Say hey. Hey, y'all. So it's like, I want to say about 20 minutes later, but we're still waiting on our food. But we ordered a lot. I got a whole bunch of stuff. And then my family also got some stuff, so it takes time. And then I just ordered some more stuff because I got their menu, and there's just so many good things on here, and I'm just really excited to try this stuff. We got our food, but I went back in and I got some more stuff because my sister forgot my mom's sandwich, so I had to go back in there, and I ended up getting another sandwich that I'm finna smash now. That way I can still have my food when we get to the crib. What's up, guys? We are here for the moment of truth. I finally got the food. Just give me a minute to, you know, set it out on the platter so I can show it to you all nice and neat and stuff. So give me a minute. Okay, so you guys, I got it all set up, and this is the outcome. I kind of got hungry, so it's not as much as it was. But this is it. So right here, this is the Steelworker sandwich. I believe this is rye bread. Comes with lettuce, tomato. I got no tomato though. Lettuce, tomato, onions, and it's kind of like a melted cheese that just puts it together. Now the original one comes with roast beef, but you can change it out. I got turkey. I had a roast beef, but that's in the past. This right here is a bunny girl. I don't know if it's called bunny grill or bunny girl, but that's what it is. And it comes with, I don't know, I think this is turkey, lettuce, cheese, tomato, and then I think it has like a little bit of mayo, and I think it's mayo on the Steelworker as well. Then I just went ahead and got a hot dog with everything on it: ketchup, mustard, relish, and onions. And then these are jalapeno jalapeno poppers. So yeah, with cheddar cheese in them. So, and it was crazy. She asked me what type of cheese I wanted. Like, they really hand make these. Or I don't know. But so this is how it looks. Let's dig in. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And this is Lincoln. It's called Lincoln. I forgot I don't have and they don't have their name on the bag, but it's called Lincoln. I'll leave a link below. And so if you're in the Illinois or Indiana area, then this is y'all. I urge y'all, if you are in Northwest Indiana area. I think it's just a kind of local franchise. I don't think it's anywhere else. I'm not sure, so don't hold me to that. Charge it to my head and not my heart. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it's just the local business. But if you're in the Northwest Indiana area or you travel here a lot, so I know a lot of people that live in like South Bend or Indianapolis area, they travel to Northwest Indiana a lot, and then as well as people from Illinois. So if you guys ever come here, stop by there. There's one in Hobart, Indiana, and then there's also one in Whiting, Indiana, I want to say. So you guys stop by, show them some love. Tell them Tay put you on, because this right here, magnificent. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mukbang or whatever. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends, your folks. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.